Bitcoin price prediction and what is happening now. Whether you are rich or poor, you have $1 or $100,000, you will never want to expose it to the world. We want our financial status to be private, but the centralized banking system will never let our wishes be granted. Digital technology has the solution for this problem too. They have introduced cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Tether, and so on. Trading online with no governmental authority over your finances can make your life easier and more personal. Wait. Before investing in it, let's have a look at the price prediction of Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency means a secret medium of exchange. Bitcoin is the most expensive and one of its types regulated by cryptography. It is a type of digital currency whose value depends upon acceptance and demand. You can convert it into cash at any time, but how can you earn profit? You'll have to change it into the currency at the time of the highest demand. For example, in March 2021, Elon Musk announced that Bitcoin will be accepted as a mode of payment to buy electric cars. At that time, due to the high demand for Bitcoin, its price doubled to $65,000. But soon, in May of 2021, he changed his statement and declined to accept Bitcoin. So, due to less demand, the price of Bitcoin decreased by 50%. Hence, converting your currency at the right time is the key point. History. Bitcoin was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of persons named Satoshi Nakamoto. It came into use in 2009 when some companies started accepting it as a mode of payment. In 2010, the price of one Bitcoin was $1. In the third season episode, Bitcoin for Dummies, of the CBS courtroom drama The Good Wife, which aired in January 2012, Bitcoin was the main topic of a fictitious trial. Jim Cramer, the anchor of CNBC's Mad Money, played himself in a courtroom scenario. Due to its peer-to-peer connection and decentralized system, Bitcoin gained popularity. Slowly and gradually, Bitcoin progressed, and now the price of one Bitcoin is $20,000. February 2021 to October 2021 can be marked as a golden period for Bitcoin owners. The price hiked up to $68,000. However, in 2022, the economic problems raised by the Ukraine-Russia war and the collapse of Terra Luna, a blockchain, led to the fall in the price of Bitcoin. The situation of Bitcoin now. Jerome Powell's speech effect. The largest cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin, has fallen below $20,000 following Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's keynote speech after exhibiting some signs of stabilization in recent weeks. Anxiety over the U.S. Federal Reserve's intention to combat inflation can be blamed for the drop. The Fed raised interest rates by 50 basis points. Following Powell's comments, Bitcoin initially reacted subtly before taking a rapid dive. On 28 August 2022, it was trading at roughly $19,975 per digital coin, down more than 60% from its record high of $68,000 in November of last year. In the second quarter, which ran from April to June, the global cryptocurrency market lost at least $670 million, with scams and hacks accounting for 97% of the losses. A third of the cryptocurrency industry, or close to $650 billion, is made up of Bitcoin. According to a new analysis, Bitcoin investors could lose up to $545 million this year due to a variety of factors, including forgetting their wallet passwords or typing their seed phrases incorrectly. Economic collapse and rising interest rates. After falling below $20,000 in June 2022, Bitcoin prices stabilized around the $23,000 to $24,000 mark, but now again, the situation has become worse. Since reaching an all-time high of $68,000 in November of last year, the price of Bitcoin has fallen by more than 59%. According to Decrypt, several other digital coins experienced double-digit percentage declines, topped by Cardano at 20%, Solana at 16%, XRP at 13%, BNB at 16%, and Ethereum at 10%. According to experts, the faltering economy and rising interest rates have produced a risk-off climate. Due to the recent economic collapse, Bitcoin has experienced some of its worst days ever, causing some cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms to cease operations, fire employees, and put a freeze on new hires. The company behind UST, Luna Cryptocurrency, and Luna Foundation Guard LFG, Terraform Labs TFL, emptied its treasury wallet of all of its Bitcoin, about 42,530 Bitcoin, or $1.3 billion. The situation of Bitcoin in the third week of August 2022. August's third week came to a negative conclusion as prices for the most widely used cryptocurrencies fell by an average of 12%. The global cryptocurrency market had its steepest decline in August as a result of this rapid decline. The market gained for the first 2 weeks by just approximately 4 to 5%, which was not too much, but it nevertheless provided investors with a sense of relief. However, this abrupt decline could prove disastrous. By Sunday, at the end of the week on 21 August 2022, the market had somewhat stabilized, but the weekend losses had been substantial, and the day had finished without a trend. Buy-side participation in the analysis of the international exchange books is minimal. With such circumstances, the market's current phase cannot quickly turn around. The market on 22 August 2022 was poor, as was to be expected. A third of the top 100 coins gained between 1 and 2% over the day, while tokens and other coins lost value. By day's end, Bitcoin had lost around 0.5% of its value. Although its effects were felt all across the world, this is not the first time the market has made such a sudden swing. Tuesday, 23 August 2022 saw a turnaround in the cryptocurrency market, with popular coins like Bitcoin increasing by 0.5%. Even after extensive examination, no pattern could be seen in the market's upswing because it was so unpredictable and amazed the observers. As many losses were recovered on Tuesday, there was a new hope for traders and investors. 24, 25, and 26 August saw a stable market, and it continued till the weekend. However, on 29 August 2022, Bitcoin dropped to its lowest of the year at $19,000. Price prediction. Reports suggest that the price of Bitcoin most probably will tumble back to $10,000. MLIV Pulse survey also reveals that the price of Bitcoin is heading back to $10,000 again. So, according to experts, Bitcoin, before recovering to $30,000, will hit $10,000 this year. This rise and fall of Bitcoin are referred to as cycles by cryptocurrency watchers. China's stance on Bitcoin. A Chinese newspaper named Economic Daily warns investors that the value of Bitcoin cryptocurrency will ultimately reach the zero point. The market is struggling due to the global crisis. According to a newspaper publication, Bitcoin is nothing but a collection of digital codes, and you can profit by buying it when the prices are low and selling it afterward when prices hiked up. It also says that in the future, when all of the sovereign countries will declare it illegal, and whenever the investors' trust wanes, Bitcoin will return to its original value, which was, without any doubt, worthless. In July of last year, the Chinese authorities outlawed Bitcoin mining and banned all cryptocurrency transactions last September. The fall of Luna is the ultimate cause of the ban of the Chinese government on cryptocurrency mining and exchange, as declared by the Economic Daily. The Chinese government also plans to launch the central bank digital currency named Digital Chinese Yuan. Acceptance of cryptocurrency. Due to their recent popularity, cryptocurrencies are now accepted by an increasing number of governments as a means for paying for duties associated with the state. One of the first provinces in Argentina, Mendoza, has a digital infrastructure in place that enables taxpayers to make payments and conduct other transactions using virtual currency. Although the payment utility is immediately integrated into the province's page, the payments are processed by a separate business that accepts cryptocurrency and converts Argentine peso payments made to the province into other currencies. Other local administrations in Argentina and Latin America have also declared that cryptocurrency will be accepted as a form of tax payment. Should you buy Bitcoin or not? As 2022 has demonstrated, Bitcoin can undoubtedly experience a significant decline, but history has shown us that whenever the market has a decline like this, it always recovers within a short period. Most experts advise keeping your cryptocurrency investments to 5% of your overall portfolio. Buy and hold is the best strategy. If you own Bitcoin, keep onto it until the price increases and you can make a healthy profit. If you want to buy, only put a small amount of money down and wait for the proper moment. This ends the video for today. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel to learn more about the stock market, its trends, and valuable information. See you in the next video.